Mr. Chakrabarti, welcome.
Good afternoon.
I have heard that you have been doing phenomenally good work on the ground so far as this Janadhan program.
No, it's only a humble work and we are doing to our might as best as we could do.
So tell me something about this program that you have been able to do all this time.
You see, this Prime Minister's Jan Dhan Yojana, launched by our present Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, gave us a beautiful scope for financial inclusion under the mission mode. It was covered by the Department of Financial Services under the Ministry of Finance. The fact that it was conducted in the mission mode gave all the right relevance to the product, the project, the program, and bankers have done exceptionally well in this. A lot of incentives were there. Incentives were given to the Jan for whom this Yojana was there, like insurance, like RuPay card. And here for the first time we found that instead of the individual as unit of the financial inclusion, it was the household that was made into the unit.
So my question is, you feel being a mission mode project is making a difference because you have already enrolled under the brick and mortar branch opening or no frill accounts, lot of accounts.
Yes.
So what is the difference this time?
Under mission mode, the entire state, the DFS and the SLBCs, everybody comes into action in a joint manner and it becomes everybody's issue commonly, and monitoring also becomes easier. That's why the mission has become phenomenally successful in a quite short time.
So why do you think that people have queued up in such a huge number compared to the earlier times? Is it because of the insurance or the 5,000 rupees overdraft facility what the government announced or the banks announced? Or is it really they feel that this time it will be a difference?
Yes, this time the difference was on two fronts. One is the incentivization was creating prolific effects. Incentivization by way of giving RuPay card, providing insurance, announcement of giving TODs, temporary overdrafts from their bank accounts. All these things have gone down very well with the masses. Second thing, the monitoring of the program was also splendid because of the program being conducted under the mission mode, as I have already told you. So it's a combination of these two factors that the program became so successful.
So now the challenge is everybody is talking, and I suppose in Pune, when Prime Minister, including Finance Minister, everybody was concluded. Mr. Adhia also was there. So the banks as well as the mission mode project, the ministry is facing the challenge that how do we transact this? So you have any idea how Andhra Bank would like to the account number of accounts opened? How do you visualize making these accounts transact?
Transactions will start. Right now the accounts have been opened. People are eager to start doing the transactions, and at the same point of time our financial literacy drives are also going on. These financial literacy drives, which our bank is conducting as mega campaigns normally on Saturdays in various places by all the branches under their command area, there we are educating the masses about the need to conduct transactions in the account so that the RuPay card remains alive, so that the insurance claim, if at all anything takes place in subsequent period, that also they become eligible for. Doing transaction is mandatory for this. As we are conducting mass education financial literacy campaign, we have already raised and flagged this issue in various fora so that the government also can take up by way of their advertisement and publicity departments to tell the people that it makes sense to conduct transactions that is how we feel it will lead to better days.
One final question, and which every banker probably is thinking in terms of eagerly waiting. Do you feel that the subsidy management or transfer of subsidy through the bank accounts and all that will be now possible with RuPay card, with the bank Jan Dhan accounts, as well as UID projects coming together?
Yes, these are all synchronized projects. What we find, the DBT has been so far, though our DBT so far has not been 100%, but DBT in LPG subsidy we have seen, it has been beautifully conducted in the last quarter.
Is it happening in Bhubaneswar also?
It's happening in Bhubaneswar also. It's really happening in Bhubaneswar also. And like DBTL, the LPG subsidy, along with that the students educational subsidy is there, education loan subsidy. There also it is working well. Now as deep we penetrate, we are not really so far we have not done much in the penetration part in Aadhaar card enrollment. As we go deep into that, government's direct benefit transfers will definitely take place in a much better shape, and the masses will really get the benefit of it.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chakraborty. We look forward to you to participate and give some prescriptions how the government, the academia and the banks and can work for the common people to make a difference in the state of Odisha. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. I am too humble a person to give prescriptions, but I am a common worker. Whatever the Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana or such financial inclusion efforts require, I am always there as a foot soldier, and whatever my role play will be there, I will try to come out with the best efforts. Thank you.
Thank you.